All eyes on US inflation as September's interest rate cut hangs in the balance. It's Tuesday, the 12th of August, and this is what you need to know. Traders betting on a Fed interest rate cut in September are facing a potential hurdle today: inflation. July's consumer price index will give clues on how President Trump tariffs are affecting costs. Analysts polled by Reuters expect the annual core inflation rate to rise to 3%. That would be the highest since February. A higher inflation rate could leave the Fed wanting to see more data before committing to cut rates, disappointing both President Trump and dovish policymakers. President Trump extended a pause on sky-high tariffs on Chinese goods for another 90 days. The de-escalation allows for more time for further negotiations and a potential meeting with Chinese President Xi Jinping later this autumn. But Trump's talks with China has raised concerns that he's unwilling to crack down on the US's biggest geopolitical rival. He signaled openness on Monday to allow Nvidia to sell a scaled-back version of its most advanced AI chip to China. Our chart of the day is gold. The precious metal held losses after President Trump said the imports would not be subject to US tariffs. That came as a relief after a federal ruling last week called chaos in the global bullion market, fearing that it would be caught up in the global trade spat. But traders are still waiting for formal clarification that the precious metal is exempt in the long run. Our number of the day is 8,000. That's the drop in the number of employees in the UK for July on payroll, the smallest decline since January. Economists had expected a drop of 20,000. That'll bring some relief to UK Finance Minister Rachel Reeves, as the number suggests that the plunge in the labour market since Labour ramped up taxes on businesses may be over. And our stock of the day is Apple. Elon Musk has lashed out against the company's App Store practices. He accused the iPhone maker of favouring OpenAI, making it impossible for any other company to reach the top of the App Store charts. Musk has a long-running feud with OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, dating back to disagreements when they founded the company together. And that's what you need to know this morning.